relationship was built online, like so many are these days. But they found many common interests: rugby, beer and great food. To most of us, it would appear you're marrying your best friend. Well, that's just perfect.
I'm so excited for our future. I can already picture us as a little old couple sitting on our deck, probably with a beer and wine in hand, talking about our grandkids and probably our cats and hopefully our dogs and pigs and goats and chickens as well.
We have already shared such an amazing life together. You are so strong, caring, loving and loyal. You put in so much for so long to make sure today is as special as it is, and all of us here appreciate it. Thank you to my wife.
Calling, we'll take it all if we want it. We'll chase down every road just to see what's beyond it. This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now, we know the ground we're standing on.
I vow to always love you, support you and protect you, to always make you laugh and to listen to you even though sometimes the stories go on for a very long time. I wonder where you get that from. I promise to always love our cats and our kids as long as they are as cute as our cats. I will always open the door for you for every Uber we ever get, and we'll always have road rage with you. We rock at road rage together.
You're my favourite person. You make me laugh every day. Your love towards our cats and all animals shows your true caring nature and that you're a big softie.
The ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found.
Ladies and gentlemen, is the kiss.
Oh, the ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see